Yes. Hey. It is cheese. It is cheese o'clock for my best friend in the whole world. Look at that puppy face. There's no one better than him. Oh, you sweet, handsome man. I love you so much. Okay, what a good dog. No, stop. I'll bring the cheese to you. You know I always bring the cheese. Bring the cheese to my binkies. Oh, it's nice and soft. Some nice soft Colby Jack. Nice soft Colby Jack for the binky. That's it. Yep, there's no one around. Can I have some smooches? Oh, I love you very much. Up our leash. Come on, let's go home, Mr. Puppy. Oh, don't you do that. Come on, move. Let's go.